Question number 31. It's got the 2 stars, so we don't have to have this one completed. But let's go ahead and walk through it. What values of x must be excluded? So the numerator is already factored. The denominator is factored. We check to see if any factors cancel and no matching factors. So which factors of x must be excluded? Well, when you have a fraction, you can never divide by 0. So we just got to make sure this factor never equals 0, because then the product would equal 0. So we just take the factor x plus 4 and say, hey, what makes you 0? Subtract 4 and you get negative 4. So this is what x cannot be. What must be excluded? Negative 4 must be tossed out. And then the other factor, at 2x minus 1, if I solve that for 0, it tells me x is a half. So that's again what x cannot equal. Because think about what would happen. I'm going to use this one for example. If I plugged in negative 4, I'd get negative 4 plus 4, which is 0. And then I'd be forced to take it times 2 times negative 4 minus 1. And I don't really care what this one comes out to, because I'm going to take it times this 0 right here. That would cause the denominator to equal 0, and that is undefined. Can't do that math. So we got to make sure we don't include any x values that make the denominator 0. So negative 4 and a half must be excluded. So if we ever solved it and got those for an answer, we'd have to say no, but they really can't be our answer. They are excluded from our domain.